Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and in this video I am going to do the quick unboxing of the Limeade battery pack. This is a battery pack which was recently available through Kickstarter campaign, and this comes with a very high battery capacity of around 18,000 mAh. Now this comes with a few useful features and interesting specifications. As you can see here, let me just remove this, peel off this cover and show you what's actually written down here clearly. So as you can see here, the feature says that it charges mobile devices anywhere. Now that is anywhere something which is common. It comes with dual output which charges two devices simultaneously, comes with 4 LED indicator lights which indicates the level of charge. 2 amps input significantly shortens the charging time, which is generally around 9 to 11 hours, and comes in 2-in-1 cable, which means you don't have to carry extra adapters for connecting it to the Apple based products or any other micro USB based products. It comes with smudge resistant rubber finish on the outside and comes with a built-in flashlight, along with which it also cuts off the battery in order to preserve the same, and comes with anti-overcharging protection and anti-discharge protection. The package is actually going to work for around 500 life cycles, that's 500 uses, and comes with a decent weight of around 369 grams. Now this is what you get here. Let me just open up the package and show you the same. So if you want to order one of these, you can go to the links given in the description below and order the same. I had actually ordered this through the Kickstarter campaign which was available from the past few months, and following which this was just shipped to us, and we have it here. So let's open up the package and show you what all you get. So there is nothing here, and this is the single battery backpack. It looks quite solid. It has a very high amount of weight considering the size of the package or the unit. And here's the dual adapter which I was referring to, wherein you can just flip this out and connect it to your any other device and start using it. And also you can connect this lightning cable adapter for Apple based related products. So this is the dual adapter which you can connect and start using it. And apart from that, this comes with a rubberized finish as mentioned earlier, and this unit actually comes in 3 different variants. This is the 18,000 mAh unit, another one is 13,000, and another one is 15,000 mAh. So depending on your budget and the requirement, you can actually go with these options. Apart from that, you cannot expect this to come with full battery out of the box, so you have to actually charge it up. But as you can see here right now, it's quite confusing in terms of the LEDs here, because depending on the way you start seeing it, it shows us different results. So probably it's actually out of charge, and because of the shipment they generally don't charge these devices, and that's the reason I feel that it actually has got no power or no charge out of it. You can start connecting it here on any of these outputs. Like the Samsung Galaxy S4 supports up to 2 amps for the charging, so you can actually connect it here for quickly charging the device. And that's the reason most of the times when you connect the smartphone to your laptop, you would find that it's actually taking a lot of time for charging the device, but in this case that won't happen. And apart from that, when you talk about the charge which comes on this portable battery, it actually would charge your iPhone 5, or like you can see here it's saying charging, where it generally started the charging, and it's at 75% right now. So overall, like if you have an Apple iPhone 5 or 4, then it would take around 12 charge cycles, or you can charge your iPhone 5 up to 12 times with a single battery backpack, and around your Galaxy S3 can be charged around 8 times, and if you have an Nexus 7 tablet, you can charge it around 2 times. So it works with multiple devices. As you can see here, it works with mobile phones, tablets, MP3, MP4 players, e-readers, gaming consoles, and cameras. Again, end of the day, it's all depending on the USB option here. If anything can be charged with using a USB cable, then you can actually start charging with this battery backpack. So this was a quick overview of the Limeade battery backpack. You can check out the link given in the description area below to know more about the same. Thanks for watching. Stay subscribed to Advice Media for more.